Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find ginseng in RDR2. To begin, understand that ginseng is a crucial ingredient for crafting tonics and completing herbalist challenges. It's easily identifiable by its small green leaves and bright red berries. Keep an eye out for these distinct features as you explore the game world. Knowing where to look for each type will significantly boost your foraging efficiency. American ginseng is quite prevalent in the Heartlands and Roanoke Ridge areas. When you're in these locations, focus your search around the base of trees and along the edges of rivers and streams. Remember to activate your eagle eye ability frequently. It will make the plants glow, making them much easier to spot, even from a distance. This method saves a lot of time. For the more elusive Alaskan ginseng, you'll need to venture into the Grizzlies East region. This specific type thrives in the colder, snowy, mountainous environments. Be thorough in your search, as it often blends in with the rugged landscape, nestled between rocks or within thick, frosty vegetation. Patience is key when hunting for this particular herb in the harsh northern territories. To make the most of your foraging trips, always collect every plant you come across. You never know when you'll need it. Ginseng is incredibly versatile, used in crafting powerful health and stamina tonics that can give you an edge in combat or during long journeys. Furthermore, gathering specific amounts of ginseng is often a requirement for completing various herbalist challenges, so keep collecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.